Good day. I am Cristel Clarice D. Bernabe, and I am here to present my institutional assessment for Events Management NC3. I am the CEO and founder and event director of Wisdom Sophia. Our company is located at 0015 Lourdesville Subdivision, Poblacion, Norsigaray, Bulacan. You may contact us through the following details. Wisdom Sophia was established on July 27, 2025. It embodies elegance, insight, and purposeful creativity, delivering meaningful and inspiring experiences. The logo reflects wisdom and enlightenment through a graceful, feminine silhouette formed by flowing luminous lines. Our primary goal is to deliver exceptional expertise in events management by creating well-designed and flawlessly executed experiences. Our mission is to design and deliver exceptional, well-curated events that reflect elegance, creativity, and purpose. Our vision is to become a leading name in event design, recognized for creating timeless, elegant, and impactful experiences. For the company's services, these are designed to provide complete, high-quality, and well-coordinated solutions for every client's needs. For the company's SWOT analysis allows us to better understand our position in the events management industry and helps us improve our services while preparing for possible challenges. This event is a graduation party, a special occasion dedicated to honoring the journey. This will be held at Casa Burgos Events Place in Santa Maria, Bulacan on July 22, 2026 at 4 p.m. The stage and decoration are carefully designed to bring life, excitement, and elegance to the graduation party, making it a truly unforgettable experience for everyone. The proposed floor plan is carefully designed to maximize space, improve movement flow, and create a well-organized and enjoyable graduation party experience for everyone. Here are our sample souvenirs. These are designed to add value, excitement, and lasting memories to every event. The invitation and program serve as essential elements that guide guests and ensure a well-organized and memorable graduation party celebration. The proposed event timeline is thoughtfully planned to ensure a smooth, lively, and memorable flow of activities, bringing excitement, organization, and meaningful moments that make the celebration truly unforgettable for everyone. We secure all necessary permits to ensure that our events are legally compliant, safe, and properly coordinated with the concerned authorities. We are committed to making every celebration special, stress-free, and truly unforgettable for our clients and their guests. Thank you for your time and attention. We sincerely appreciate your trust and support. We look forward to serving you and creating more successful and meaningful events in the future. Once again, thank you and God bless.